something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve a stunning birthday studio portrait with Optical Snoot. So I will cover the studio lighting setup, the background setup, camera setting and editing. So stick around to the end of this video to see what we created.
Do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me?
What is Optical Snoot and why use it? An Optical Snoot is a light modifier that helps you give shape and focus a light to give it a dramatic effect. It uses gobos and lens to create different light patterns like window effects and customized effects too. This lighting technique adds a creative and unique touch to your portraits and it makes them to stand out. For birthday portraits, Optical Snoot adds depth, creativity and cinematic looks that is perfect for your image to pop out. Step 2 is studio setup, which involves the background setup and lights. The background we used is a black background to complement her red outfit. We already had a mood board of the concept we wanted to create. Our key light is AD200 inside the Optical Snoot. Our backlight is another AD200 inside the cone with a gel. The fill light we use is Godot's D300 strobe. You don't want to change the video. Yes, now. Is there a problem?
They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else
So guys,
to
this is
succeed.
the inspiration here. I don't even know, yeah, this is the concept here.
And I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want
Okay, how this Optical Snoot works if you want to set it is you have to turn off every light in the studio, leaving only the lights from the Optical Snoot. In this case, it's AD200. So that way, when you put in your effects, you will know the position of the lights at the background, and then you ask the object, the person, the model you want to snap to sit or stand and maintain that same position. What do you say? Yes, now. This is see how bright it's going to get. Yeah.
5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
Step 3 is your camera setting. The camera we use is Canon EOS R5. We shot this image at ISO 100, aperture 2.8, then speed 1/200. The reason why we shot at aperture 2.8 is to get the image sharp and crystal clear. ISO to reduce noise, we won't have so much noise. And then the speed, we use 1/200 to freeze the image. 4 is posing and directing. So the basic thing is to make the model or the client feel comfortable. In most cases, clients, they do come with their friends that will help them do one or two. Nevertheless, you should learn how to style your model to get a stunning portraits. Can you sit on that comfortably? Okay, yeah, good. Is that how you want to sit? Can you cross the other one?
I have to cross my leg. What if I fall on this chair?
It cannot fall, but then let me hold it.
Okay, now sit. Still this way, sis.
Face this way. You're facing your face towards the camera now.
Yeah, my hand.
On the light. On the light. Can you see yourself in the mirror? One of the things that will help you style your model very well is mirror. There's this mirror we kept in the studio that whenever someone is being photographed, that person will be seeing him or herself to see the way he is. So in most cases, we position the mirror so that that person will be seeing him or herself. It will help us to get a perfect image because it's the client you are still serving and the model. In as much as you are getting a perfect image, then they still want to see themselves be motivated to do more. Not really. So we have to off this light so we get this light centralized. Let me see that picture again, that inspiration again. Is he getting her leg? Is her leg in that circle?
Yes.
At the tip.
Her whole body is in the center.
Don't worry, don't worry.
So her shadow is also there.
Step 5 is capturing the perfect shots. Confirm. Alright, let's go. Okay, I've started. Get on that light, Swibka. Confirm. Okay.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, we could build and build until you finally see. Whoa.
Look at the camera, remember?
Moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough. I don't want
Can you look straight that way? I mean, can you look this way? Look at my hand, yeah, this way. Yeah.
nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature.
What happened? Okay, let's go.
Much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
Can you try looking at me this time?
I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop, unplug.
No, she's using it to cover her clothes now, right?
Find a way to get some energy.
Oh.
Someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories.
Bend your head slightly. Then can you cross your leg?
Focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis.
On top, from top. Like cross your leg from top. Can you? Yeah.
Thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature.
That last one, just chin up. Yeah.
Then close your eyes.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
Come and see what we have, sir. Step 6 is editing and post-production.
Editing and post-production process is used to enhance lighting effects by adjusting the exposure and contrast, redefining the skin tone. Editing brings out the potentials of Optical Snoot.
Once the client is done selecting their favorites, we use Camera Raw in Photoshop to do color correction and color grading.
I use Retouching Academy inside Photoshop to do the skin retouching.
We have a link below where you can watch a full video on how to do color correction with Camera Raw, and we equally have a video where you can watch how to do skin retouching with Retouching Academy.
And that's how you shoot a stunning birthday portrait using an Optical Snoot. You can let me know in the comment section if you have used Optical Snoot in your shoot before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more photography tips. See you in the next video.